All right. I think we are all set. Let me just, as usual, get us up and running. And here we are. Okay. Hey, everybody. This is Mark again from ULC in Singapore. And today I want to tell you a bit about the words by and until. So I had a student ask this question in class today, and I thought it was a very good question to ask because I think sometimes these two words can be quite confusing, by and until. So let me show you the main difference between by and until. So we use until to show when an activity is going to start or end, right? Today I will stay at work until 6, right? I'm working now, right? I'm at my office, I'm at the school I work at. I will be here until 6, right? That's when I'm going to stop working and go home, right? Until 6. Now I could also say, oh yeah, at work I'll finish by 6. So for me, 6 is my deadline. 6:30, 7 o'clock, I don't want to stay here until then, right? I'm saying 6 is my latest time to stay at work, right? No later than that time. I'll say by 6. I want to leave by 6. I want to finish by 6. I plan to finish by 6. That's my end time, my deadline, okay? And then for some examples, let me show you. For my classes, we have a class that starts at 9 a.m., right? 9 a.m. class. That class goes until 11:30 a.m., right? It's a 2-hour class. So if I say this, if I tell them, oh yeah, we'll study until 11:30, we're studying right now, right? In 2 hours at 11:30, that is when we will finish, right? We'll study until 11:30, then that activity will stop. 11:30, we will stop that activity. We will stop studying. Okay, I could do a similar thing. I could say, we'll finish studying by 11:30. So maybe we'll finish 11:25, 11:28. I might finish a little early so we can have a final chat before we say goodbye, but no later than 11:30. I don't want to keep them here. They have to go home. They have to see their families. So I'll say by 11:30. That's when I have to finish, right? 11:30 at the latest is when I intend or plan to end my study session or end my class. Okay. Okay. Then we keep going. Next example. Right. I can do a similar idea, maybe 9 to 10. 9 to 10, maybe we have a meeting. So I say, I'm going to start by 9, we'll finish by 10. So those are my two deadlines. My plan, right? I could start at 8:55, maybe, but 9 a.m. at the latest, I want to begin the meeting. And 10 a.m., no later than 10, I want to finish the meeting, right? So that's my intention, my idea, right? The deadline to start, 9. The deadline to finish, 10, using the word by. And then here, another example. This is the same exact thing, my same meeting. Remember I said 9, start by 9, finish by 10. I could also say, oh yeah, we're meeting from 9, starting at 9, and then we're going, meeting until 10. So this is another way to say start at 9, go, finish at 10. But this is just showing our change in action, right? It's not focusing on the deadline, start by 9, finish by 10. I'm just saying 9, we're starting, and then we will continue until 10. 10 is the time when that action will stop, okay? So I hope that kind of idea helps you guys get the basics of by and until. They are different. They don't work the same way in sentences, right? Like I cannot say we plan to meet from 9 by 10. It sounds very strange, right? If we're showing duration, how long? This until stop or until start, right? We have to use the until. If we have a deadline, we're using that by. Just for a couple more examples, this is a little image I got from ESL Buzz, another English learning website, and they have the same idea. Remember, they say until, we're saying going on, going on, going on, and then there's a specific time when it will start and stop, right? I'll plan this activity until tomorrow, then tomorrow I record my next video, right? I'll work until 6 o'clock and then I'll stop. By tomorrow would be my deadline, right? I need to record another video by tomorrow. I cannot wait till Saturday. I cannot wait till next week. I have to do it by tomorrow. That's my deadline. Or by 6 o'clock, right? I have to be home by 6 o'clock. I'm having friends over. They're coming to my house at 6 o'clock. Can I go home at 6:30, 7 o'clock? No, right? I have to be home by 6. That's my deadline. I have to do it before 6, okay? So just again here, some of the same time words we use with until and by, but that reason to use them is different, okay? And I'll end here with these last examples. Here they have the until. He will stay with us until the weekend, right? Stay, 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 weekend, not with us anymore, okay? Live in the small house until September 2003, right? September 2003, we stopped living in that house, right? They lived, they lived, they lived. September 2003, they didn't live. And then our buys, I'll be back by 7. Remember, 6:30 is okay, but 7:01, 7:05 is not okay. 7 o'clock is our deadline, no later. And then, I'll have gotten my degree by next year. I have some students who are working on their university degrees, right? So they'll say, oh yeah, by next year, right, I will have finished my degree. I will have done it by next year. That's their deadline. They're not going to finish in 2 years. Next year, by that time, their deadline, they will have finished, okay? So that's it for me today with our ULC grammar video for by and until. I hope that helped you guys. If it did, please comment below. Do you have any deadlines in your life? What do you have to finish by this weekend? When is your homework due by for class, right? Is your homework due by Monday? Due by Wednesday? When's the latest time you can have it done? Or if you're doing something right now, are you cooking? Are you studying? Are you watching this YouTube video, right? How long will you do that? You'll do it until, right? Blank. I will cook dinner until 7. I will study English until, when will you stop? Okay. And then last thing, maybe coronavirus. One more example. Coronavirus, I won't travel anywhere, right? I cannot leave my country. I won't travel until next year, when hopefully it's safe to travel again. So again, guys, if you did love this, please give us a thumbs up. It really, really helps. And I'll see you all in class or in the next video. So until then, bye-bye.